Menudo. Menudo is a popular Filipino dish in the Philippines and a favorite of many. It is commonly served in fiestas or social gatherings. Pork belly cuts are usually used to make menudo. It is then cooked with vegetables, usually carrots and potatoes. The sauce for menudo is tomato-based. In this lecture, I will be teaching you how to cook menudo. Step 1. Prepare vegetables. Mince 3 cloves of garlic. Cut 1/4 of a large yellow onion into small squares. Wash and peel 1 medium-sized potato and 1 small carrot. Cut it into small cubes. Cut 250 grams of pork bellies into 1 inch by 1/2 inch cubes. Step 2. Heat pan. Heat the pan over medium heat, then add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Step 3. Sauté. Sauté the garlic until you can smell the aroma coming from it. Add the onions, then cook until it becomes translucent and soft. Step 4. Add pork. Add the pork belly slices, then cook until the color changes to brown. Step 5. Add vegetables. Add the potatoes and carrots, then stir fry for 2 minutes. Add 100 milliliters water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 piece bay leaf. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Step 6. Add tomato sauce. Add 1 cup of tomato sauce and mix. Simmer for 20 minutes or until the potatoes and carrots have softened. Step 7. Add sugar. Add 1/2 teaspoon sugar, some salt and pepper, and then mix, then serve. Here's my ninja tip. You can add other ingredients such as green peas, raisins, and hot dog in this recipe.